We're Jazzy and JR, and this is the road we're on. It's been a long journey, but we couldn't be happier to finally be able to say that we're official van owners. The buying process is crazy stressful, but now we're ready to demo and build out our dream van. So if you want to watch two complete newbies build out a tiny home in a moving vehicle, keep watching, because this is the road we're on.
So we did a thing.
We bought a van.
2012 Mercedes Sprinter.
Yeah.
Actually, this is the van we really did want.
Well, no. I mean, a passenger. We wanted a cargo.
We did want a cargo, but it might work out in our favor.
Because we were gonna put windows on this door and that door anyway, and then two smaller windows on the back and the rear door. So it kind of saved us money, I think. I'm hoping in the long run, because we won't have to put any windows in.
Definitely.
It's a little windy, so sorry if you're going like this.
It's a 144 wheelbase. I won on that one. Jazzy actually found this van on Facebook Marketplace, out of all places.
Which I'll link to our video where we talked about where to look for vans. And JR said that you would not find one at Facebook Marketplace.
And so I was at work and I could not make it out that day.
And I went out to look at it. I got really scared because I hate going to stuff like that by myself. So I made my dad come with me because he was busy at work. And my dad and I drove about an hour out from our home. And the van, this was the van. And I was like, wow, this is in really good condition. So I'm winking at my dad. My dad has no idea what he's looking at, but he's able to do the hardballing stuff where I'm just like, and another guy came walking up. And the seller was like, I have this other guy here to look at it. And I was like, no, this is not. I started panicking.
Well, and you're calling me and I can't answer the phone. I'm in a meeting.
Yeah, I didn't want to be that girlfriend that was like, no, you need to respond. But he needed to respond because the guy's going to take it. He just responded. He was like, I'm really busy. I trust you. If you think it's good, go get it. Okay. He was like, it's yours if you can give me the money in the next 2 hours because I have someone else coming. And I was like, I only had my half, but I didn't have his half for the van. My dad had to front us the money so we could write him a check, and then we paid my dad back.
Thanks, Jamie.
And we ended up getting it. A couple people have reached out to us and asked where we got it. So yeah, that's Facebook Marketplace. Every mechanic said we got a really good deal on it. So my advice to you is if you're looking to be really patient, because we looked at so many, and trust the process.
I feel like we scored for sure. So
yeah, totally.
Being patient definitely paid off in our favor.
Yeah, and knowing what you want. We did a lot of research.
We really were torn between the Mercedes and the Ford. We didn't like the way the ProMaster drove.
That was the one we rented in, I'll link that video somewhere below. And we liked the guy's build, but we did not like
how it drove. Mm-hmm. I didn't drive that nice. So then we had a set budget though, and the reason we...
Touch me. Oh, I'm allergic to beef. Get away. Hates me. Okay. Alright, just make it quick.
So why we went with the Mercedes?
So then it was the seat between the Ford and the Mercedes Sprinter.
Yes, and the reason we went with the Mercedes was we knew we were probably gonna have to get something with higher miles within our budget.
The Fords seemed to be less price for maintenance.
Yeah.
But the Mercedes had good reviews for how long they lasted.
So far it's been a solid engine. I mean, this thing drives very, very smooth, just well built. So yeah, so this one has the 3-liter BlueTEC engine.
It has the turbo.
It has the turbo.
Again, it's a 2012 Mercedes Sprinter.
144 wheelbase passenger van with 142,000 miles.
With blue efficiency. Is that a thing?
It's a 3-liter diesel.
2500.
Yes, and it did have one minor accident in the front. You'll see the mix match light on either side. One's like brand new, the other one's like a little bit starting to yellow, so.
Let me know in the comments if there's any ideas to get that to be clean and clear again. I feel like people have some tricks.
Oh, definitely. It's got a back AC/heater system connected to the vehicle, so you have to have the vehicle on to run it. So we're not sure if we're gonna keep it in our design or if we're just gonna have to try to sell it or something.
I did want to mention one more thing with the Mercedes diesel. No, it's not diesel. Yeah, diesel. The BlueTEC engine. There is a recall going on right now. We took it in for ours. It's not fun. We'll do a whole nother video on that just because we were so shocked with how unorganized it was. Okay, so I was editing the footage we took of us talking about our van and how we bought our van, and I realized that our camera died. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you thank you for watching.
And we're gonna keep you guys updated on the progress of the build. If you guys are as happy as we are about this van, then please no one's gonna be as happy as we are. If you guys are excited as we are about this van, please give the video a like.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Tell your friends and family.
Yes. And we're gonna take you guys along the journey of our build process.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yes.